Hare Krishna. So we are on the third shloka today, which describes the characteristics of soul. What does Krishna say? Krishna gives a very beautiful analogy. He says, Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihnati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirnani anyani samyati navani dehi. He says, as a person puts on new garments, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material bodies, giving up old and useless ones. We see, Krishna says that death is the ultimate change. We have seen this previously also in the 13th verse of this chapter, how we have all kept on changing our bodies. We were at some point of time 5 years of age, 10 years of age, 25 years of age, 50 years of age, some of us are 70 years of age. Body has kept on changing. What is death? Death is the ultimate change. After that, there is no more change. Change will happen when the soul will accept a new body based on the karmas that are there in this lifetime. So Krishna says in Mundaka and Shvetashvatar Upanishad, in both these we have a beautiful way that Krishna explains how to understand the presence of soul. Krishna says that in this body or in any body, there are two souls that are residing. Which are these souls? One is Anu Atma and the second is Vibhu Atma. Anu Atma is the individual soul and Vibhu Atma is super soul. Anu means small, Vibhu is big. So the understanding is given as just like we have a sea and one drop from that sea. So sea water and the drop, qualitatively they are same. In chemical composition, in salinity, the sea water and the drop both are same. But does that mean that the drop itself is sea? No. On the level of quantity, they are different. वो बूंद और सागर ये गुणात्मक रूप से एक हैं, लेकिन मात्रात्मक रूप से अलग हैं. Similarly, we are Anu, we are infinitesimal part and parcel. Krishna is Vibhu, Krishna is infinite, वो सागर के समान है. This also we come to know how we can never become God. So Krishna, he says, in this body, Anu Atma, that is us, and Vibhu Atma, that is God, both are present. What is the way in which they are related? Mundaka and Shvetashvatar Upanishad, they give a beautiful way. They say that it is just like there are two birds on the same tree. One bird is busy eating fruits and the second bird is just watching the first bird, waiting, well, the first bird will look at me. So the first bird which is watching and eating fruits, he is compared to the Jiva. In this material world, in this body and every body, he keeps on going from one branch to another and thinking that, if I will eat this fruit, I'll become happy. If I eat this fruit, I'll become happy. If I eat that fruit, I'll become happy. He keeps on eating fruits. But some fruits are bitter, some fruits are pungent, some fruits are salty, some few are sweet. ये जिंदगी ऐसे ही चलती है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, तररम पम पम. What is the second soul doing? The Vibhu Atma is just simply waiting. When will the individual soul come and surrender to me? So Krishna is saying, my dear Arjuna, if you look towards me and act accordingly, you will be on spiritual platform. If you look away from me and act whimsically, you will be eating the fruits of your own karma, and these are never fruits which are actually enjoyable. The best of sense gratification that we have in this material world, also sense gratification that we like, for example, say suppose we are eating ice cream, can I continuously keep on eating ice cream? No, एक जगह आएगी जब हम थक जाएंगे, अरे भाई और ज़्यादा आइसक्रीम नहीं चाहिए. कितना खा सकते हैं? 1 लीटर, 2 लीटर, 3 लीटर, 4 लीटर, 5 लीटर, कितना खाओगे आइसक्रीम? अगर आइसक्रीम खा भी रहे हैं तो हम बोलेंगे अरे यार वेनिला बहुत हो गया, अभी मेरे को थोड़ा चॉकलेट चाहिए. अरे चॉकलेट बहुत हो गया, मेरे को स्ट्रॉबेरी चाहिए. वी ऑलवेज वांट फ्लेवर. Yes or no? Say suppose I am hearing the best movie songs of my favorite movie. How many times can I repeat? It is not possible. एक जगह आएगी जब हम अरे बहुत हो गया, बहुत सुन लिया. Similarly, with the best of sense enjoyments, there is always a satiation. So Krishna says, my dear Arjuna, please look at me and adhere to my instructions. This is the most beneficial that can happen to you. And through Krishna, he is giving us this instruction that my dear devotees, just look at me. I am there always for you. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.